Nagalang kaseng BJP Meghalaya pat wat hadian baladap ke election haji HDC kala yai peteng ke je khun persha ke NPP UMDC berang shujab natura ubanat marak habai krem ke nong tho kubora kasi sajan ulong ba ke EC ban Īalam ke NPP kalong ka Beaiñ namar ba kadon ka rai jong ke ying bishar house nam arhajar kabong ban thawi ke EC dan kam khat nyong ngut ki khot ke NPP ber ki parlok ki dan tang khat san ngut
claiming to form the EC with 15 numbers. But 15 is not the magic number in the district council because the court has passed an order in 2020 in the case of Atman Sama and Winsong Sama that the minimum number in the majorities will be 17. So it should be 17, not 15, because one of them will be a chairman. So once in a 29 member house, if one is a chairman, then it is a tie again, 14-14. So that's why the court has given a verdict that it should be 17 and 12. So if they want to form an EC, it has to be 17. So I think for some reason, I think the governor has been misled by the leaders of NPP that 15 numbers they can form the EC. So that's why we will be sending our objection from our side because this is not fair and court's order should not be violated.
Hagiju por President ke BJP Meghalaya ba Ernest Mauri ulong ba ke NPP kam shimla wan sha ugum President ban yakran ban thau yi ki EC nelor ka taw long ru ba ka seng kadang up ke jing patha na kinong Īalam na Delhi halor ke jing thau yi ki EC bar hadu menta kim pat yatre lang bar ke NPP ban thau EC.
As of now, the MVC here, both of them are here, we have not taken any decision to support the EC. That is very important point. And yesterday evening, I have discussed with our center leader, and they asked us to send the feedback and some point, which we have already sent to them and discussed with them. And we hope by tomorrow evening, we will get the direction from the center how to go with this formation of the new EC in the governance of this council.
Ulakran shairu baladaya trailang batnu ru kede ban kular ban tokit CBI ke jingbam sap ke EC ke baladap.
Whoever formed the EC in this council, if they come with a clean that yes, they have to follow up. There should be inquiry with the previous EC, misuse of fund and so many irregularities you have seen. So we'll be agreeing with that point.